Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the PDF directly in Microsoft Edge because Edge has built-in PDF tools. This avoids extra apps. Once the file is open, look for the toolbar at the top. This is where you'll access annotations, highlighting, and form tools. Make sure you are not in Reading View that hides controls. Instead, use the normal tab view. This first step gets you into Edge's editing environment quickly, so you can apply changes without converting files or installing extensions. Once done opening the file, pick tools from the PDF toolbar, the pen for freehand notes, highlighter for emphasis, and the text tool to add or correct content. Use the eraser to remove pen marks and the comment panel to review annotations. This keeps edits organized. If you need to reorder or remove pages, use the page view icon to drag pages. Make sure to zoom or change view modes when precision is required. This ensures your edits land exactly where you intend. To finish, save your edited PDF by clicking Save or save a copy so changes persist. Edge will overwrite only if you choose. Then use Share or Print to distribute the file. If your edits aren't applying, make sure the PDF is not read-only and check Edge updates. Outdated builds sometimes hide tools. If a specific annotation won't stick, reopen the file or restart Edge. This refreshes the renderer. Finally, verify changes in another PDF reader to confirm compatibility before sending.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.